Realme is once again trying to make its way into the Nepali market with back-to-back launches. The company also partnered with Shankar Group in Nepal in order to increase the penetration of its mobile phones. On that note, the brand launched Realme 8 in Nepal a few months back. Today we have the phone, so we will unbox it and give our first impressions on it. Well, the first thing I noticed about the box is its color. It's actually vibrant and eye-catching, and I particularly liked its color choice. Apart from that, it is just as normal. So, we will be unboxing the phone and we'll start with opening the seal first. Well, it says, "A great story since the first leap." Nice. So as soon as you open the box, you can see a SIM ejector and a transparent phone case. Not that bad. And then we have the phone, and likewise we have a charging adapter and a Type-C cable. To sum up, these are the things that come with the box. Okay, so let's start with reviewing the design first. I think the phone looks amazing and the color is pretty unique too. However, this right here is a little too much. On the right side, it has a power button and a volume button, whereas on the bottom, it has a charging port, speaker, microphone and a headphone jack. Whereas on the left side, the phone has a SIM card tray. Now let's move on to the camera. We have a quad camera setup on its back, and there's also a 16 megapixel front camera. I'll also be testing its camera, so let's start. And you can see the rest of the photo samples on your screen. So the phone has a 6.4 inches Full HD 60Hz Super AMOLED display, which I think is decent for its price. Also, we have an in-display fingerprint scanner, and if you are a fan of it, you are going to love it. Moving on to the storage, the phone actually comes in 4 different variants as listed in the screen. And we cannot miss the most special feature of this phone, which is its battery. It has a 5000 mAh battery with a 30-watt fast charging support, which is cherry on top. Now let's move on to the processor. Actually, Realme has made great claims about making improvements to its processors, and this phone particularly has Helio G95 processor. So we will also be posting the full review of this phone after some time, and then we will be discussing the processor in detail. So that's it for the basic review and first impression. I think overall it is a pretty good deal, but I will be making further suggestions once I get a hold of this phone for at least 2 weeks. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant of this phone is available at Daraz for Rs 28,799. So do let us know in the comments what you feel about the phone, and if you are already using it, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. That's it, and stay tuned to our channel for the long-term review of this phone. Subscribe to TechSathi and do not forget to follow us on our social media handles. Thank you.